Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Alright, it's really easy. Alright, now there's a few notations you're going to want to know, which I'm going to pull them up on here, so you'll have to give me 1 sec to get them. I'll have the links to these in the description too. Now, let me copy this and put it onto the web browser that I'm using right now. Alright. So make sure you guys can see the website. Alright. So these are the notations. You guys should be able to see them. Alright. Now, real quick, I'm going to explain to you, because you guys will need to know this, that this is called up. You move this, called up. Alright, so I'm going to show you something. And this you guys need to remember. This is part 1, just explaining it. R will be this. If I say move R, if I say R, I mean that. Alright, now if I say R prime, I mean this. Or if I say R inverted, that means this too. I'll either say R prime or R inverted. Alright? If I say up, it means push it that way. Alright, so if I say up, that means push it this way. If I say, okay, well, if I do up, it will be you call this up, we'll call this bottom, or we'll call this up and this up. When I say up, it'll mean this, and when I say U, it'll mean move this. Now U prime is moving it the opposite way, just doing this. That's U prime. Alright? And so we don't use L at all. Now if I say B, that means hold it like this. And you never have to do B prime. So you got right, you got R, you got U, you got R prime, U prime, B. And there's one left. It's B. There's one left. There's 2. F is this. Grabbing it and twisting the face this way. That's F. Now, small f is just a lowercase f. You grab the 2 and do it this way. Alright, so that was it for part 1. I hope you guys liked it, and come watch part 2, and it'll be the first step on solving Rubik's Cube.